Bonjour et bienvenue. Aujourd'hui, nous aurons la troisième forme, l'interrogatif. Ça s'appelle l'interrogatif. La forme interrogative. D'accord? Okay. In the last two classes, we learnt the affirmative form, 3 translations, negative form, 2 translations. Maintenant, nous verrons la forme interrogative. Interrogative form. Interrogative form, how do you make interrogative normally? You have learnt je suis. How did you make it interrogative? Suis-je? Understand? Je parle. Tu parles. Il parle. Nous parlons. How do you make interrogative? Take the subject, keep it after the verb. It becomes interrogative in French. It's very simple, quite simple. Elle parle. How do you make interrogative? Parle-t-elle? Very simple. That's what we see today. That becomes interrogative. Now look at this parler. Parler, to speak, that I am going to make into interrogative. We will see this je form, je pattern later. Now come to this. Parles-tu? Tu parles. It becomes parles-tu. Okay? Parles-tu? Parle-t-il? This il comes after the subject. Take the subject, keep it after the verb. That's how you make interrogative. Bear in mind, take the subject, keep it after the verb. It becomes interrogative. When I do like that, this E and I will clash, vowels. So I add a T in the middle. That T doesn't carry any meaning. Pronunciation sake, parle-il, there is a break in the pronunciation. Okay, so for the continuous pronunciation, we make it into parle-t-il. Same way, parle-t-elle. Al comes after the subject. So it becomes parle-t-elle. This T is added. Parlons-nous. Nous parlons. Nous parlons becomes parlons-nous. Parlez-vous. Vous parlez. Vous parlez becomes parlez-vous. Then il parle. That becomes parle-t-il. Elle parle becomes parle-t-elle. Look. Parle-t-il. Parle-t-elle. The subject pronouns are placed after the verb. That's all. It becomes interrogative. It becomes a question. Now, only for je, this inversion is not advisable. In French, they do not write parle-je. Parle-je. That's not preferable. Instead, they add this interrogative expression, est-ce que. Est-ce que is capable of changing any affirmative sentence into an interrogative sentence. Is it that? I speak. Is it that I speak? What does that mean? Do I speak? Am I speaking? Okay, only for je, don't inverse. Parle-je, don't write. Make it into est-ce que je parle. And est-ce que here. Est-ce que je parle. Est-ce que can be added anywhere. Even here est-ce que can be added. Est-ce que tu parles. Est-ce qu'il parle. Est-ce qu'elle parle. Est-ce que nous parlons. Est-ce que vous parlez. Est-ce qu'il parle. Est-ce qu'elle parle. Est-ce que is allowed everywhere. Understand? But tu, il, elle, nous, vous, il, elle, this inversion is possible. So we do not write this est-ce que. Even if you write est-ce que, that is correct only. For tu, il, elle. Even here you can write est-ce que. Understand? Only here inversion is not possible. Je alone, inversion don't write. What do you mean by inversion? Take the subject and keep it after the verb. That is called inversion. This is called inversion. Q is written after the verb. Il is written after the verb. Al is written after the verb. Nu after the verb. Woo after the verb. Il after the verb. Al after the verb. This is called inversion. For je alone, don't write this inversion. It's not advisable, it's not preferable. Only for je, you write est que to make it into a question. Understand? Est que je parle. Now what does this mean? Do I speak? I do speak. Remember? I am speaking. Am I speaking? You are speaking. Are you speaking? Same. See, look at the first one. Est-ce que je parle? Look at this. I do speak. That becomes do I speak? Look at the next one. Am I speaking? Here. I am speaking becomes am I speaking? Parles-tu? Parles-tu? Come on, tell me the meaning. You do speak becomes do you speak? Question. You are speaking? Are you speaking? Parle-t-il? He does speak. That becomes does he speak? And is he speaking? Parle-t-elle? Parle-t-elle? Does she speak? She does speak becomes does she speak? Question. She is speaking becomes is she speaking? Is she speaking? Parlons-nous? Where is parlons-nous? We do speak. That becomes do we speak? And are we speaking becomes we are speaking becomes are we speaking? Got it? Following? Yeah. Parlez-vous? Parlez-vous? You are speaking, you do speak. That becomes do you speak? Are you speaking? Are you speaking? Parle-t-il? They do speak. That becomes do they speak? Do they speak? They are speaking. Are they speaking? Same parle-t-elle. Do they speak? Are they speaking? Understand? This is the complete three forms of present tense. Present tense. Let it be ER group of verb, IR group of verb or third group of verbs. This is going to be the pattern. This is going to be the translation. So 3 translations in affirmative, 2 translations in negative and 2 translations in interrogative. Only 2 translations possible in interrogative also. Only in the affirmative form you got 3 translations. And so what have you learned today? To make it into interrogative, just take the subject, keep it after the verb. Except for je. Except for je. Je, what do? Je, you add est-ce que je parle. Est-ce que. Add est-ce que here it becomes, je becomes interrogative. Est-ce que je parle. Est-ce que je parle. The meanings I have written, in the translation I have written, just follow that carefully. And this T is added. Just for pronunciation's sake, that doesn't carry any meaning. These are the 3 forms of conjugation. 3 forms of conjugation. Affirmative form, interrogative form and negative form. Affirmative, negative and interrogative. So just go through that carefully. This est que can be added anywhere. Okay. Adding est que here. It's not a mistake. It is correct only. Understand? Okay, fine. In these 3 cases, except for je, other cases up to al, q, il, al, nu, who, il, al, this est que also can be added. Inversion is also possible. But je, only est que is possible. Est que is the only way to make it into interrogative. Understand? Here I can add est que. That's no mistake. Est-ce que tu parles? And parle-tu also I can make. But I cannot make parle-je. That's what you must remember. So we meet most probably IR group of verbs in the next class. We'll decide. Okay. Urva, Maxi.